In 1969, a private American company began developing a military Jeep and produced the XR311 prototype vehicle, intending to replace the M151 Jeep that had been in service for over a decade. The M151 was a highly successful military vehicle, with production continuing until 1988 and a total output of over 100,000. Faced with such a large market, the XR311 was naturally expected to face tough competition. Initially, only 2 vehicles were completed for testing, making the XR311 a unique Jeep. The engine of the vehicle was located at the rear of the body, resulting in an exceptionally flat front end. The engine was a 5.2L V8 gasoline engine with an output of approximately 190 horsepower, and it could also be replaced with a V8 turbocharged diesel engine for increased power. The vehicle used a Chrysler A727 automatic transmission, with 3 forward gears and 1 reverse gear. It had a full-time 4-wheel drive system with a lockable center differential, independent suspension for each wheel, and torsion bar springs with hydraulic shock absorbers. The rear suspension included an anti-roll stabilizer bar. The vehicle was equipped with a special type of tire that did not require an inner tube. However, the inner tube could be inflated and used in case of a drop in tire pressure, and the inflated inner tube could also seal a puncture to maintain the basic mobility of the vehicle. The XR311 only had a 2-person cabin, with the driver seated on the left side and a safety rollover cage installed on the vehicle. The front windshield, consisting of 2 pieces, did not have ballistic protection, but could be folded forward to prevent debris from flying into the cabin if the windshield was hit during combat. There were entry and exit points on both sides of the cabin, but no doors were installed. There was some space behind the 2 seats for storage, and a shelf was installed above the rear engine for transporting a small amount of cargo. The front of the vehicle could be additionally equipped with a 5,000 kg winch for self-recovery or rescue operations. The vehicle did not have armored protection, but an optional armor kit was developed, including armored doors, bulletproof windshields, and a bulletproof fuel tank. Various weapon systems were also available for installation, such as a general-purpose machine gun, M2 HB heavy machine gun, grenade launcher, 106mm recoilless rifle, with 6 rounds, and TOW anti-tank missile launcher, with 10 rounds. There was also a model with a 6-barrel recoilless rifle mounted on the roof of the vehicle. These weapons could be directly installed on the weapon mount on the roof or on a fixed weapon mount inside the vehicle. The company's initial 2 prototype vehicles passed the military's preliminary screening and received an additional order for 10 prototype vehicles in 1971, with the armed versions mentioned earlier being part of this batch. After extensive testing, these Jeeps were proven suitable for reconnaissance, patrol, communication, medical, and anti-tank functions. The vehicle was not only suitable for air transport, but also for airdrop operations. Compared to its competitors, the XR311 had a clear weakness in its transport capacity. The Humvee not only provided more comprehensive light weapon protection for its crew members, but also had a significantly greater transport capacity than the XR311. We often see the Humvee being used as an armored personnel carrier in movies and TV shows. While the XR311 excelled in maneuverability, its competitors also had similar capabilities. On the other hand, installing bulletproof armor plates on the XR311 would greatly reduce its driving speed. The XR311 Jeep weighed approximately 2 tons, with a length of 4.3 meters, width of 2 meters, height of 1.6 meters, a maximum speed of 128 kilometers per hour, a maximum range of 480 kilometers, and a crew of 3.